In this video, I'm going to teach you how to push from Lusha to HubSpot. So Lusha is actually an application that can help you connect to HubSpot so you can map fields for contacts and companies. So to do this, you first need to head over to Lusha. There's actually a manual saving option for Lusha. You need to go over to your Lusha dashboard and tap on your name and then click on the integrations tab. Should be able to find HubSpot for that, so proceed to click on the disconnect. This will ask you to log in into your HubSpot directly, so make sure to log in from there. The system will not ask for your credentials if you're already logged in into your HubSpot. Now, continue to field mapping, and under the field mapping option, you can just proceed to add your contacts as well as the companies that are associated with specific HubSpot field. So add them right here. You can also allow override for this and remove them as well. So with this, you can push your options or your data from Lusha to HubSpot. So that's all there is today. And if you have any questions, comment them down below. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.